Right then, welcome back to the next video. This time it is the Montech King 95 case. Yes, I'm a little bit late to the party, but at least I'm not the last one to arrive. So make sure you continue to watch, guys. Okay then, so you saw the initial unboxing, you saw also the little previews of the build. Now what I will say for Montech is this case is very attractive at its price point. It is, I believe, £120 to £125. This is the non-pro version. That they do a pro version that comes with their Montech signature RGB fans. So this is just the basic one. I had to add the fans myself, which are the Sahara Mirror fans, which I think look absolutely gorgeous in this case. Now, yeah, it's white. Unfortunately, I did want a different colour, but this was the only one that they had available to send me, so beggars can't be choosers, and at the end of the day, it gives me a chance to still make content for you guys. Now, what I will say is this case has ample room space for the biggest GPUs. It has loads of space for radiators, fans, the back, the cable management is fantastic. It comes with Montech cable straps at the back. It's really, really spacey. It does come with a hard drive bay on the back as well, just in case, but you can remove it, so that's a plus. It does come with ample airflow. It does come with a separate panel for the front, which is just the same as the glass, except it's all mesh. There's perforation at the top. It's got a big dust filter, but unfortunately the dust filter comes out the back. Montech, you should have done that out the front. The top of it does have loads of airflow, but unfortunately the mesh part you'd have to unscrew, which I truly don't like that design, because it's going to make things more difficult for the consumer, especially if they've got to clean this out. So as I said, the top has got ample room for airflow. The back panel, that is exactly the same perforations, it's just airflow everywhere. It's got ample room for space at the back for cables. It does have tie points at the back for cable management. You can put quite large power supplies, but I'd be careful on the size. I'll make sure to put all the specifications in the video for you guys to know, so you know what length of power supply it does use. Now, in terms of the build, it is my Ryzen 9 7900. It's a B650 Edge Wi-Fi motherboard from MSI. It is an RX 7800 XT Sapphire Plus card. It's got a 2TB P440 Pro from Solidigm. It's also got then a 1TB Western Digital Black for backup as well as games. And of course, the power supply I'm using is a Dark Power 850 watt titanium PSU from Be Quiet. If you want to buy any of these parts, then they will be all linked down below in the description. And of course, the case fans that I am using are the Sahara Mirror case fans, which are very, very nice. That's why I picked this specific build for these fans, because I think they look absolutely stunning in this build. Now, if you want to buy this case, then of course the link for that will be down below. It does get my stamp of approval. Ample airflow, ample space. It's got fantastic quality, build quality for the price, and it comes at a absolute awesome bang for your buck price. What else can I really say? Except for it's a great value and it's a great case. So make sure you guys subscribe for more, because I've got so much stuff coming. It's coming on my ears, but that is why I do this, is so I can keep bringing you guys content. So make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment down below if you've got any other suggestions for other brands for me to reach out to. And as always, I hope you guys have a fantastic week and weekend ahead of you. This is Richard from WELSHYTECH. Goodbye.